If we run this code, both of these lines get printed. The second line, "this is note from me," gets printed because the editor doesn't know that this is a note just for me, and the compiler does not need to print it. To overcome this, we can use something called comments. In programming, comments are lines that are specially meant for the coder, for the programmer. These comments act as notes for the programmer and the other programmers as well, so that we remember what the code does. In Python, the hash symbol acts as a single line comment. Anything written after the hash symbol in that line will be commented and ignored by the compiler. There are multi-line comments in Python as well. Anything enclosed between three apostrophes will be ignored by the compiler, and this will be in multi-lines. Anything written after or before these commented out lines will be executed.